Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Jamie, aka Razzle as J. Thank you so much for watching with me. I'm doing something super special today. I just received a package in the mail and I'm super excited. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably saw that I did post about the new mascara from MILK Cosmetics. Basically, Influenster sent it to me. And yeah, I'm super excited. I'm here to review it. I figured since I'm going to be testing out the MILK Mascara, why not test and review some of the MILK products that I've received in my Gratis from Sephora. So I figured why not, let me tell you guys how I feel about some of these products. Let's chit chat a little bit, about MILK Cosmetics. Let's introduce the mascara. So this is the KUSH Mascara. This is what it came in. It was wrapped up in like a plastic, and then I opened it up and I received this box. As I mentioned, I did receive this complimentary from Influencer. How Influencer works, I'll pull it up on my phone really quickly. So this is what my front page looks like. This is what my profile looks like, and I'll try to put a photo so you can see what it really looks like. At least this is what it looks like on my phone. You can also log in to your desktop as well. So in my opinion, I think Influencer is kind of like a platform, a forum for all beauty lovers like myself, and for all of you who are probably watching this video, a place where you can just kind of be yourself, talk about things that you love. It's not just beauty, there's skincare, there's food items that you can talk about, recipes that you can share, makeup obviously, but it's just like this really cool forum. How I got started with Influencer, I just went onto the page or I downloaded the app, I can't remember which one I did first, just created a profile. It was that easy, and then I started connecting it to my other social media platforms. I'm mainly on Instagram and I'm mainly here on YouTube. They'll ask you a few questions like what are some products that you've recently used, what are some products that you like to use regularly, stuff like that. Like basically to review the products. I love reviewing products. I'm not that great at reviewing here in camera, looking at you guys and just talking, constantly say and I constantly, stop and have to think about what I'm saying. But when I review through Influencer, when I get to type everything out, when I blog, I just feel like I can flow so much better versus staring at a camera, and I think that's just because I'm not used to it yet. I try to review as often as I can. It's something that I like to do in my free time. If I wasn't so busy nowadays, I would be on there constantly. I love reviewing. I love telling you guys what I think about certain products. That's why I thought Influencer was such a great platform to really, connect with some of you guys, connect with all the beauty influencers and beauty lovers out there. I don't know how I actually got this box. I'm very fortunate. I'm always constantly checking my emails when it comes to Influencer because I love opportunities to be able to get these, they're called VoxBoxes. I'm not gonna miss the opportunity to review it for you guys. So let's just get started. I've been rambling and it says I've been rambling for about 7 minutes. So that's enough. So like I said, I'm gonna be reviewing a bunch of MILK products that I received in my Gratis, and most importantly, this MILK Mascara. I thought their campaign was just super cute. So right when I opened the box, I have a bunch of like tissue paper, and then the product is just right inside. It came with this little card for me to kind of explain to you guys like what MILK is, what this mascara is all about, and I'm gonna read it to you in just 1 second. This packaging, I'm not gonna lie, the actual box is beautiful. It's triangular in shape. Very different in my opinion, very unique, very innovative. That's what I love about MILK. And if you guys don't know much about MILK, I'm gonna be honest, I don't know that much either. But what I've learned from Sephora, from MILK trainers coming to Sephora and training us, MILK is really for that girl or guy who is on the go. Someone who just wants to apply their makeup really fast. Majority of their makeup is made to use with their hands. They're more of like an urban makeup brand from New York, and now they're making the way into Sephora, and I think they're doing a really great job. A lot of people love MILK products. I think a lot of people love that it's so innovative and it's so easy for them to use. I did open it yesterday. I did take a peek. I didn't actually get to try it, but when I opened the box, I was like, wow, boom with this packaging. Heavy duty mascara. And what I mean by that is it's the actual packaging or the actual product is really heavy to the touch. I don't know how much this is. I will list the price of this mascara in just 1 second, somewhere on the screen. KUSH Mascara, one hit for high volume. I love this card when I received it. So It says, "Welcome to the Milk fam. You are one of the first to try Milk Makeup's KUSH Mascara. Spread the word." I'm about to spread the word right now, Milk. One hit for high volume KUSH Mascara. Naturally lit. Conditioning CBD rich cannabis oil fuses heart-shaped fibers to lashes for thickness without the fallout. The formula also fills the hollow fibers for a double dose of volume. Heart-shaped fibers lock onto lashes in each direction, adding width and length for a long-lasting volume and curl. I'm gonna do my eyes really quickly, super simple look. I'm not gonna wear any lashes today because I really want to see the effect of the mascara, so I will be right back, guys. So I am back. I'm gonna start off with the cooling water. So I think that it's super weird that it's like in this kind of packaging. It's still kind of cool at the same time, and I kind of just like to pat it in. So I've tried this before. Honest, I didn't really fancy it. I don't know if it's because I have oily skin. It does have like more of a tacky consistency. Like, I didn't really understand what this was. It does feel really great on the skin. It felt very cooling, and it is supposed to be the cooling water. The only thing is I just don't really know, you know, what this is supposed to be for. I think it's supposed to be a toner. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be a toner, but I feel like it didn't really work for me. I didn't really see a difference. It's just not something that I thought was worth it. That's just my 2 cents, but I want to see how everything, you know, fits together. And then I also have the Blur Stick from MILK Cosmetics. I have tried this before as well. Kind of the same thing. I didn't really enjoy it. It wasn't something that I was like, oh my god, this is amazing. This stick, like, I have to use it every day. It's supposed to blur imperfections, seep into your pores, stuff like that. I'm gonna do the same motion, just like I did with the cooling water. So I mainly focus it in areas where I have the most pores, and then I just like to like press that in as well. I will say it does instantly mattify, in my opinion. I just when I used it in the past, I just didn't really see a great difference with my foundation. And then I do have the Milk Makeup Blur Liquid. I was really excited to receive this in my Gratis. I'm gonna just dab it onto the skin like so. Ooh, I think I have to shake it up. I think you have to shake this before using it, so let me do that one more time. Can you guys hear the crows outside? They're going crazy. I might have to close my window. So I just closed my window. Hopefully you can't really hear the crows. So I'm just gonna blend that in. Let's get a clean foundation brush. All right, so I'm gonna blend that in with my foundation brush, and then I'm gonna use a beauty blender just to make sure everything looks nice and blended. So this does have full coverage. As you can see, I think it's a little orange for me. This color, by the way, is the color Golden Sand. I will say I don't like the smell of this foundation. I think it smells really weird. I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender too. It smells super weird to me. Fortunately, I don't have the MILK Cosmetics concealer. The Flex concealer is like something that I really want to try, and I really wanted to create this video, so I didn't have time to go out and buy it to review today. I have used this foundation before. I remember me thinking, and I didn't like the smell, but two, after a few hours it just didn't look good on my skin, and I'm not sure if it's because I have oily skin. I will say I like the coverage. It's supposed to be medium to full coverage, and I actually like the finish. I wouldn't say it's completely matte. I would say it's a little bit more of like a satin finish on my skin. Like, I can still see there's a little bit of glow, which is nice. So the finish of this foundation Like I said, it's really nice. I would just want to use a lot of powder just to kind of set in certain areas, but I am ready to review this mascara. So let me get my eyelash curler. So I am super picky with mascaras. I have straight lashes, so what that means is my lashes kind of go downwards, so I have to use an eyelash curler. Like, that's a must to use an eyelash curler for my lashes to hold the curl. Unless they're waterproof, no mascara really holds the curl. So I'm excited to see if this one is any different. I'm about to start right now. Let me zoom you guys in really quickly. So as you guys can see, after I curl my lashes, it looks really great. So this is the brush. I just wanted to show you guys. Guys, so as you can see, this mascara is super lengthening in my opinion. One thing though, as you guys can see, it's not holding my curl as much as I'd like it to be. This one looks like it's holding, this eye looks like it's holding up a little bit better than this eye, and it could just be the length difference. I think I'm going to continue to use it. I actually really like the way it makes my lashes look, even though it didn't hold the curl, which is like one thing that's like so importante to me. It still looks really good, and when I look on the side, I can see a lot of volume. You can see that my lashes are not that long, but I think that this mascara would definitely benefit a girl or guy who already has really long lashes. If you don't have long lashes already, I don't know if this mascara would be the best. I think it would work. I think it would still work pretty well just because it has that, you know, those heart-shaped fibers. But you know what? Like, this did a really good job. I love the way it made my lashes look. Just to give my 2 cents on these MILK products, like I mentioned, MILK is such a cool brand to me. I think they're so innovative. They're constantly growing too, which I really love about brands. Especially brands that I feel like work really hard. And I love that they tailor it for people who are on the go, need to have that one step. They want to just be able to apply stuff with their fingers and stuff like that. Going back to the products that I used on my face today, out of everything that I used, my favorite product is definitely the MILK KUSH Mascara. I think it made such a big difference. I also really like the Blur Liquid Foundation. The one thing though is I do remember thinking to myself like, wow, this is not, you know, a good foundation for the whole day. So if you're oily like me, something that I definitely would recommend is not just setting your face with just one powder, but using like a matte powder afterwards and keeping that powder with you. If you have more combination skin, only oily in certain areas, I feel like this would be a really great foundation for you. I also think that you'd really love it. For someone who's a little bit drier, I even think they'd like this as well. I do think that this foundation clings to certain dry spots. I looked at my nose and I had a little bit of dry skin like at the top, and it did kind of cling to that. So that's something that if you have drier skin, make sure you really moisturize your skin as well. I'm so thankful for Influencer for sending me this MILK KUSH Mascara. I'm so glad that I got to try it out. Oh! I didn't even apply my holographic highlighter. I forgot about this. I think I've used this like once. I'm not even sure. I should have put this on my eyes. Definitely applies better with fingers. Thank you guys so much for watching with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you want any more videos that are kind of similar. If I ever get any more influencer boxes, I'll be sure to unbox them with you and try them out with you. Let me know if there's anything else that you're interested in. Thank you so much again for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks, bye. When it comes to the bowl. Okay. So without further you're interrupting my video.
Oh, so you're not done yet? Okay, well, how long do you think you're gonna be?
I'm almost done. I'll probably be done in like 20 minutes.